Why, hello, welcome, it's Kat right here. So today the project we will be showing you is our fall leaf cleanup. With our yard being a full acre and probably like 4 really huge trees, probably maybe 18 small trees, we get lots and lots of leaves. So we'll be trying to use a lot of the leaves just to lay them in the yard as kind of fertilizer, but with how many leaves we get, we do still have to bag some of them. So these are 2 of our big trees that drop all of these leaves here. Those leaves there are quite thick, so a lot of those will be bagging. The leaves up over here by this ground cover, by the vinca, we'll just be leaving all of those there. So here's our patio with all the leaves. Can't see it very well. There you go, that's a better view. You can't really see how thick that is with this camera, but I guess we can show it to you. Now if you get angry, you could use one of these bags of leaves to punch it a lot, to take out your anger. I mean, I'm not really an anger person, but it very well could. I mean, it's better than punching the floor and breaking your hand. See, just like this. Because remember, work hard, play hard, but as you're working, you also have to play hard to make it funner and more manageable. Please try to. Over here, never would have guessed there was that many leaves, but I'm sure once we get a lot of these, that pile right there by Shiloh is gonna get much bigger.
Corgie's in position. You can see we have a big pile of leaves this year, not as much as last year. It's kind of strange though, earlier I swear I saw it move.
Oh my goodness, that's where Shiloh went!
Oh, that was cute.
Nice. The last and final thing that I need to do for this project is just clean up this big pile. I'm all done with my leaf cleanup project for the day. Now I get to go have some fun on this Saturday because this only took us about 2 hours. Now I got the rest of the day to have some fun. Remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.